So I have the beets here, right? I already have them, the ones that are big. So I cut them into half, like two pieces, basically, because I'm gonna bake it. So what I did here, I added a bit of olive oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some balsamic vinegar also, right? Because we're gonna bake it with that. And then of course, for flavor, I'm just gonna add a couple of cloves of garlic here, and also some thyme. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and bake this for 45 minutes. So the vinaigrette and everything else won't take a long time. So really it's this one. The other way that you can do it, if you don't want to bake it, or roast, I should say, if you don't want to roast this, you can also boil it. But I like the roasting part because I really like the flavor and everything else. So we're gonna roast this. I'm gonna put my oven 400 degree, and I'm gonna cover this here with aluminum foil. And to make our salad here, so what I do is I'm gonna peel off the beets. Okay, so because it's a lot, I usually cook that way, because I finish the rest leftovers, so I don't do all of them, but I just want to show you the process that I do, right? So I peel it off. By the way, I wash this plate again, and then after that, so I put the beets here, small pieces in square. And let's see the ingredients here for the salad. So of course we have our beets, it's already all cut up here, and then I have some baby arugula. I mix it, so I have the goat cheese, I have mustard. This is Dijon mustard, but this one is really, I got it from the open market, and I really love it. Basically like a farmer's market, I meant to say. I want to say open mark, like in Dutch, but anyway, so I got it from farmer's market. And then so if it's not enough, I'm gonna use some of that. And then of course I have honey that I'm gonna make the vinaigrette with, and then some black pepper. I have also some of the, you know what, actually I'm gonna add it while I'm doing that. So basically I have a bit here of how do we call that, I have a bit of olive oil in here, about 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of honey, and then with the mustard here, I want at least 2 tablespoons. This one was almost done, so that's why I told myself, okay, I was gonna bring this one as well, just to make sure that I have like enough. Okay, and so of course I'm gonna mix everything here, and I'm gonna add some black pepper, a bit of sea salt. I have my goat cheese here. I also have my roasted nuts and also garlic. So with that roasted garlic, what I'm going to do is, what is my thing? So it's right here. So I'm gonna take the garlic and the roasted garlic here, and I'm gonna just squeeze it in here. I also need paprika, a bit of white pepper. This is smoked paprika here, and also the sea salt, right? Whew. I feel like that was I was too happy with that, actually. I mean, nothing has salt in it, but you have to be careful all the time. So you mix your vinaigrette. Look at this, it looks so beautiful here, but you want your mustard to be totally melted. Oh my gosh, guys, like seriously, like this is it, like between the garlic and everything else, we are going to mix our salad, right? I'm gonna keep this here, and before I mix it, I'm gonna put some here first. I'm gonna use the bigger spoon, okay? Oh my gosh, you guys, it's already so delicious. And once you get everything together with the crab cake and this, oh, guys, like, vraiment. Je sais pas quoi vous dire là, mais sinon c'est super bon, hein. Il faut vraiment essayer. En plus, c'est facile. It's not difficult to do, and this is it. Really, you have to try it. I'm gonna taste it. Oh, listen, guys. This is it, really. I mean, you just make sure that everything tastes, everything as far as like your vinaigrette. Once your vinaigrette is done, it's good. Then really you are good to go. And then you add some of the nuts in here for some crunch, more crunch. And with the arugula, that's really bring together the flavor of the goat cheese. Basically, I mean, you have an